Hello. So this is my 5 new technologies. And the first technology that I chose was Adobe Spark. I selected this technology because most of the time students want to use PowerPoint or Google Slides to develop presentations in school. I like to push students outside of their comfort zone and into new technology territories. And I feel like Adobe Spark is a free web-based program that assists students in making posters, videos, web pages, and presentations that can be easily shared and projected in class. The purpose of using this technology is to expand the technology scope of students and offer them more options for creativity. My intended audience is middle schoolers interested in creating visual aids for classroom use. Blended learning is frequently applied in my school. Teachers teach and model, students practice and then apply what they learn. Many times, any one of these steps may be done through technology. Adobe Spark can be used in the student practice phase and in the application phase. The ISTE standard that I chose for Adobe Spark was Teacher 3B. It says establish a learning culture that promotes curiosity and critical examination of online resources and fosters digital literacy and media fluency. When students are trying out new resources online, they are learning and developing more understanding of technology. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on Adobe Spark. We're going to log in together. A student would go first to Start Now for free because it's a free online program. Two school things. One, sometimes your school will let your students continue with Google. That's basically what I'm going to do. However, if your school does not allow the students to continue with Google, I just have the students sign up using their student email, and that works for me. Okay, so you're going to get to a page like this. And yes, it's like you see a search bar and you want to automatically like type something in. But I just tell students to scroll and look at the different options that they have down below. So there's the photo journal. This is one of my favorite ones. I recommend this for kids. But there's also all sorts of different posters, banners, pages that they can do, stories that they can make, all sorts of different activities. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Photo Journal because this is a good presentation format. Okay, so the way that it would work is kids would go ahead and add titles, subtitles. If they want to change the background, they'd come up here. They can add a free photo, or they could upload a photo that they would like. If they're trying to add another slide, they would scroll down here and go to video or text or photo. Sometimes they want just a split screen, so then they could add a split screen. So we have our title page here, and then they'd scroll and they'd have a split screen here where they could add text on this side, and then a picture maybe on this side. It's pretty simple to use and great for presentations.